This is Ross with Ross's Carpentry Incorporated. We take care of all your remodel needs, indoor, outdoor. We do handyman services. We do woodworks. Check us out on Facebook, Ross's Carpentry Inc. or Ross's Woodworks, or call us at 502-548-7462. And we also have a YouTube channel set up where you can watch some videos of us working. Okay, we're out here in Big Springs on this deck project that we've been talking about. I hope you've been enjoying the videos so far. We've got the rails up, the spindles. Check out the handrails here. And we still like some spindles on this. This is our last day here. We're hoping to get finished up today. If all goes well, we're praying for that. Praying for good weather. So we need to finish the spindles. We're going to put boards underneath to close off the underneath part. We're working on the screen. It's going good here, so we just need to screen the rest of it and put the strips on, and we'll keep you informed. Keep watching us. Hey, this is Ross with Ross's Carpentry Incorporated. We take care of all your remodel needs, indoor, outdoor, handyman services. We also do woodworking. Check us out on Facebook, Ross's Carpentry Incorporated, and also we have a woodworking page called Ross's Woodworks. Or call us at 502-548-7462. And check us out on YouTube.